morning, guys, and happy coming back to school week. I can't wait to see you guys on Thursday. It's going to be awesome. Here's your assignment for Monday. Pretty easy, okay? Pretty straightforward. 1, watch this video, okay, and submit it. I'll literally give you points for submitting this. I'm begging you to do something. All right, now, 2, go back to Potential and Kinetic Part 1. That was the assignment from last week, the one that was due Friday. As you can see, I have graded your all stuff and sent that back, and it is in Infinite Campus. Some of you, that is a good thing. The other half of you, it's a really bad thing. Now, what I'm going to ask you all to do now is to open up the PDF. Go back and click that and open it up. And you remember the work we did last week. I'm not going to go back over that. But what I'm going to have you all do, okay, what I'm going to have you all do is I'm going to have you guys go through this and finish the rest of it. Now, remember, whenever we're going through this, all right, it's asking you here, determine the kinetic energy of a blank, blah, blah, blah. It gives you everything you need. Now, this one right here, number 22, is something I could see throwing you all off. Now, also, with this, make sure I see units. Make sure I see the units. Make sure I see your work. Okay? I don't want to just go down here and see a number. It's like, okay, 315, 150, or whatever. I don't want to just see the numbers. I want to see you all working this out. All right? So, like we went through the other day. So, determine the kinetic energy of a 1,000-kilogram roller coaster that is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second. You look at your kinetic energy equation, you write it down, you solve it, you give me your answer. Okay? Now, right here, the roller coaster. If the roller coaster in the above problem were moving at twice the speed. Now, here's the thing. You don't just multiply the answer for 21 by 2, and get your answer. You have to double the speed. So instead of 20 meters per second, it's going to be 40 meters per second, okay? And remember, whenever we do this, we do what with our velocity? We square it. So it's 40 meters per second times 40 meters per second, okay? Now, I will be giving you all a new assignment out Thursday, all right? We will be going over this as well. Make sure you guys are on and can make sure we get this all turned in and everything good to go, okay? Now, make sure you guys read through these and answer these. I will be going through these with you guys step by step on Thursday as well, but they need to be submitted, okay? So look at this one too. The potential energy of a 40-kilogram cannonball is 14,000 joules. So we have to find out the height. It's giving you everything. We know that potential energy is equal to PE equals mass times the force of gravity times the height. Oh, I actually messed up. So we know that PE equals that. So we have the mass, and we know the force of gravity is 10 in this, and we also know that this is the energy. So you guys need to solve for H, solve for height. So we're using a little bit of algebraic skills here, okay? Also, if most of the energy we use on Earth comes from the sun, how does that energy, light and thermal, end up? Now remember, guys, this is stuff we went over, all right? As blank energy in our food, what kind of energy is that in our food? I'd be looking at the Quizlet stuff for this stuff down here, okay? All right, guys, have a good day.